Hey there, off-road enthusiasts. Today we're going to head out on Metal Masher. The trail starts around where we left off yesterday, just west of Gold Bar Rim. Metal Masher is rated a 7 if you opt to attempt Widowmaker Hill. There is a bypass, but it's not near the obstacle, so it requires a fair bit of backtracking if you can't get over it. I think that's enough talking, so let's get on with it.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took a red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna sing my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these shit I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend.
After making it through Mirror Gulch and the Z-turn, we followed a flat piece of slick rock to what I would consider one of the most beautiful overlooks in Moab. We stopped for lunch here and had time to take out the drone. We then followed the cliff edge for a while as we made our way back downhill over a series of ledges. Once down a ways, there's a fork in the road that either takes you to Widowmaker or its bypass. We didn't check out the obstacle as we elected to take the bypass. If we were traveling with others that could complete the obstacle beforehand and serve as a potential winch point, I would have liked to see it. Since we were alone, the bypass was an easy decision. And that concludes Metal Masher. For the scenic views, I'd say it's worth your time. If I take that out of the equation, just consider the trail, I'd say Poison Spider and Golden Spike were more interesting to drive. Mirror Gulch was the highlight of what we drove. I'm sure if we were in a group and spent some time getting everyone through Widowmaker, that would be the new highlight. Just like Double Whammy the day before, we left some obstacles behind to attempt another day. Thanks for hanging out for a while. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and check out our other videos. Also subscribe so you can see when we post new content. Tomorrow we're running Steel Bender, a trail much different from this one, and we meet some new friends that join us for the rest of our trip. Thanks again.